Hello, my dear children. Welcome back. And let's get started. We will continue chapter number 2, the Northern Mountains, with a new concept that is concept number 5. You will just soon come to know what we will do in it. Now, let us do our very known activity to guess the red shaded part. Can you? Very good. Yes, my dear children, it is not one state, but many states of Northeast India, which you all have studied in chapter number 1. In this PPT, that is PowerPoint presentation, we will learn Purvachal Hill Ranges. Now, what a beauty! Students, we have to discuss some interesting facts about Purvachal Hill Ranges. So you all have to read these important facts on your own. Now, as you can see on the left hand side, the brown shaded part is of Himalayan range, which you have studied earlier in concept number 2, and Purvachal Hill Ranges. Let's move further and discuss important facts about Purvachal Hill Ranges. So the first and foremost fact you have to read out with me. In the northeast are the Purvachal Hill Ranges, which are also known as the Northeastern Hills. What are they known as? The Northeastern Hills. These hills are not very high and are covered with thick forest. Wow, isn't it interesting? See, isn't it beautiful? Wow, I'm sure you would like to visit it someday. Let us move forward to our next fact. But before that, I want you all to do the virtual tour of Purvachal Hill Ranges. Wow. So now the second fact is the Purvachal Hill Ranges include the northeastern states, namely number first, eastern part of Arunachal Pradesh, number 2, Nagaland, number 3, Manipur, number 4, Mizoram, number 5, Tripura, and number 6, Meghalaya. So how many states in all, children? 6. Very good. Hey, something is related to the previous PPT which I have shown you all. Can you guess? Who are these people? I'm 100% sure now you can. These are our very own farmers and weavers. So it is related to our next fact. Another important fact of Purvachal Hill Ranges. Farming and weaving are the main occupation of the people living here. Here means Purvachal Hill Ranges. Hey, what are these? Potatoes are dancing? Okay. So another important fact of Purvachal Hill Ranges are people grow rice, maize, potatoes, okay, ginger, pulses, and oil seeds. I repeat this fact. People grow rice, maize, potatoes, ginger, pulses, and oil seeds. Now, they also grow oranges, pineapples, and bananas for sale in the market. So, this is another important fact. Hey, you all, what's happening? Why have you entered my slide? I'm teaching my students that to their favorite subject, social studies. And you're spoiling our mood by dancing over here? Oh, wait, are my students enjoying their dance? Hmm, I could see you all smiling like them because learning can be fun too. Okay, now let us move forward. So, these fruits are dancing because Purvachal Hill Range's fact was connected with these fruits. Okay, so again, let's do our favorite activity. Guess the pink shaded part. And the Mickey Mouse is saying to you, think over. Yes, my dear student. Yes, my dear students. It is Arunachal Pradesh. Let's see the beautiful pictures of Arunachal Pradesh. Children, do you know Arunachal Pradesh is also called the land of the rising sun? Do you know why? Because it is the first state of India which gets the sun rays or sunlight. Don't forget this. Now let us move further and read the interesting fact. Arunachal Pradesh is famous for its fruit orchards and orchids. So we have done this fact earlier also in our previous concept. Now let us discuss the occupation of the people. People of Arunachal Pradesh do wood carving, carpet weaving, and make bamboo and cane products. Can you see these images? Please look at these images carefully. So beautiful, isn't it? Hey, who is this man in our PPT? He is the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Yeah, so he is talking to the weavers of Arunachal Pradesh. All right, let's discuss another important fact of Arunachal Pradesh. The tourist attractions of Arunachal Pradesh are Itanagar, Zero, yeah, it is Zero, and Tawang. So, to your left is Itanagar, and to your right is the Zero Valley of Arunachal Pradesh. Let us see the virtual bliss of Zero Valley. Wow! Hey, what's this now? The picture says, Welcome to Tawang. Oh, I so want to go here. But what is it? Mm, Tawang Monastery, located in Tawang city of Tawang district in the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh, is the largest monastery in India and the second largest in the world. So, as you all can see, I have not put the second. So, please ignore that. I have already said, and I am again repeating, Tawang Monastery, located in Tawang city of Tawang district in the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh, is the largest monastery in India and the second largest in the world. Now, my dear children, I would like to ask you all, what is a monastery? Do you know? Monastery is a place where monks live for religious purposes. All right? Okay. Oh, so he is saying, wow. Okay. So please see, let us move further and just see. This is the outer view of Tawang Monastery. And this is the beautiful interior of Tawang Monastery. Can you see Lord Buddha's image, children? So, for 2 minutes, let us all close our eyes and pray to God. That means Lord Buddha, to give all of us the strength to stay at our homes and be positive in this COVID 19 situation. My dear children, I'm sure we all will meet in school sooner because this shall end too. Be positive. Okay, let's move further. It is very beautiful and really peaceful, which we all need right now. Okay, so it is exercise time. Do these fill ups in your notebooks. You all can read it. And hey, you all don't need to write the questions. All right? So only write the answers in your SST notebook. Good luck. That's all for today, my dear children. See you all soon. Bye bye.